Hey guys, I'm Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. First, select your image. Make a copy of it by Ctrl J. Select copy layer. Go to top menu, image, mode, lap color. Now go to channels. Select A, Ctrl plus A, then Ctrl plus V. Copy paste. Select B. Back to the layers. Again go to the image, mode, RGB color. Now use curves. Follow the step like this. Go to selective color, red, make cyan -50%. Yellow +50%. Keep rest as same 0. Go to cyan, make cyan +20%. Magenta +20%. Yellow +20% and keep rest as same 0. Neutrals, black -10%. Keep rest as same 0. Go to blacks, black +10% and keep rest as same 0. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video soon. I am Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel.